This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Lisa Matheny. Take a look at this beautiful, tastefully remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom block home in a well-desired location of South Tampa. As you walk in, you are welcomed into the family dining area, which is part of the spacious open floor plan. An entertaining chef's dream, the remodeled kitchen has modern dark cabinetry with brushed gold hardware, updated appliances with a range hood for sufficient ventilation while cooking your favorite meals. While cooking, you can easily socialize with those in the dining and in the living room addition, or open up your living space to the large fenced backyard. Also in the addition is a full bathroom, complete with a large walk-in shower, new cabinetry, lighting, and the laundry closet. On the other side of the home are all 3 bedrooms and an additional updated full bathroom. All main living and wet areas of the home have tile flooring and the bedrooms all have carpet. This home is conveniently located near MacDill AFB, Monroe Middle and Robinson High Schools, plus all of your favorite shopping and restaurants. Noteworthy info: entire home replumbed, AC was moved from attic to its own closet in the hallway and is 2 years old, main electrical panel replaced. All work has been completed by licensed professionals in the respective field of expertise and permits were pulled.